نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Lesson 34. In this lesson we will be learning Bab Istif'al. Bab Istif'al is mostly used for to ask something. It is not always, but most of the time it is used to ask something. For example, istansara. So nasara is help. Nasara is help. So istansara, he asked for help. So istansara means he asked for help. Nasara, he helped. Istansara, he asked for help. So mostly this bab is used to ask for something. For example, istaghfara, he asked for forgiveness, as we say astaghfar. So it is from babi istif'al. It is istighfar. So try to learn this bab, try to memorize it. Once you memorize this bab and all other babs, then you can put any verb on this wazn, on the bab istif'al, then it will give you the meaning of asking for something. So istansara yastansiru istinsaran fahuwa mustansirun, wa ustunsira yustansiru istinsaran fahuwa mustansirun. Al-amru minhu istansir wa nahyu anhu la tastansir. You know the meaning by now. Istansara, he asked for help. This is yastansiru, he will ask for help. Istansaran, this is the masdar, asking for help. Fahuwa mustansirun, this is fa'il, the person who is asking for help. Wa ustunsira, this is majhul, he was asked for help. Yustansiru, majhul mudari. Istansaran, again the masdar. فهو مستنصر, so this is مفعول, someone was asked for help. الأمر منه استنصر, this is the amr, ask for help. استنصر, if you ask someone استنصر, mean ask for help. والنهي عنه لا تستنصر, don't ask for help. لا تستنصر, this is the nahi. لا تستنصر, don't ask for help. So try to memorize this bab, and it's saying, the only sin and ta is extra in the beginning. The alif, sin, and ta is extra. The asal word is nasara, and they made it from bab istif'al istansara. See, the meaning changes, and nasara was something else, istansara became something else. It said it's permissible to delete the ta from the verb. For example, istata', yastati'u, istata'a, yastati'u. This is the Quran says, فَمَسْتَطَاعُوا مَا لَمْ تَسْتَطِعْ. It's like, istita'a, it's like istita'at, the ability. فَمَسْتَطَاعُوا, who doesn't have the ability. So it says if you can take the ta out, sometimes you'll see the ta the ta out, but most of the time you will see it. So remember istansara, the bab. So most of the bab, if it comes, any verb comes in this bab, so it means he is asking for something. And this is sarf saghir. And also try to practice the sarf kabir as well, as istansara, istansara, istansaru. I will show it to you. So this is the babe, sarf kabir. Practice this, the madi ma'ruf, madari ma'ruf, al-amr, and nahi. Try to practice this as well. It will be very easy for you to speak or to understand when it comes on the tongue. Just practice the tongue while driving, sitting. Just practice istansara, istansara, istansaru, istansarat, istansarata, istansarna. So practice, and also the sarfe صغير. استنصر يستنصر استنصارا فهو مستنصر، واستنصر يستنصر استنصارا فهو مستنصر، والأمر منه استنصر والنهي عنه لا تستنصر. So try to practice, inshallah, then things will become much easy. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the ability to study, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the true understanding of the words of Quran, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy for us, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept this from us. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.